Okay. Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neng Lailatul Mahmuda with name 1242004. And today I want to talk about something really interesting that is from my course that is TYL or Teaching English to Young Learners. Okay, in this semester, after I studying this for 7 weeks, I've realized that teaching kids is totally different from teaching adults. Or you can just give them a grammar book and expect them to sit. And so let's look at who these your learners really are. Okay, the first thing first, let's talk about their nature. The biggest thing I notice is their attention span is very short. Usually they can only focus maybe like 10 or 15 minutes before they start looking around or playing with their pencil. Okay, before we continue this talking, this what I want to talk, I have present to you this my poster, and while I'm talk this, I will and while I'm talk, I will presenting this poster. So what I'll talk is based on this poster. Okay, let's continue. Okay, the students have so much energy. They are kinesthetic, which means they need to move their body to stay happy. And they are also super curious. They always ask why? Because they are trying to understand the world. And you have to remember, they don't think about abstract things, they need concrete objects like real toys or pictures to help them understand what we are talking about. And next, so what we have to do for they learn? Well, they are like little scientists. They learn by exploring and doing things themselves. And I think I also learned about scaffolding. And you have to think of it like a leader. As a teacher, you have to give them support. Maybe I help them with a few words, and then when they get more confident, I slowly step back so they can do it on their own. Another important thing is that kids don't learn grammar rules. They absorb the language. They learn through routines like singing a hello song or in every morning or playing a game. And they learn the meaning first, not the grammar. So, we have to know every student is different. Some are visual, so I have to make sure my posters are bright and colorful like this. And some are auditory, so I use my voice to make funny sound or use catchy songs. And then for the kinesthetic ones, which is most of them, I use TPR. For example, if I teach the word run, I don't just say it, I actually run in place and have them do it to same as like me or repeating me. And based on what I've seen, if a kid is getting bored or sleepy, I just change the activity. I might stop the lesson for a 2 minutes for getting dance break to get their energy back, and it really works from my experience. And then to end this video, I think for the most important lesson I have learned is that we have to teach We have to teach the child, not just the subject. If they aren't having fun, or they probably aren't learning. So we have to be flexible, and we have to always creative. And I think uh, beside that, we have to also know what student needs, because if we teach a kids and we don't know what they needs, it mean, I think it doesn't give them more fun learning, I guess. So when we want to teach young learner, we have to know what they need. We have to know what can make the learning activity more fun, to bring their energy always full. So we have to manage the class activity also, and we have to know the student also, and also for us as a teacher, we have to have a full energy. We don't we we don't have we doesn't show our if our energy get low, we have to don't show to our student. So we must show that our energy is always full. And I think that's all from me. That's all for my that's all it's from my vlog. Thank you for listening and watching my videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.